Welcome to our series of short videos. In this video, we'll have a look at how to use Teams for storing files. Microsoft 365 provides multiple options for storing files in the cloud. Amongst them, we have OneDrive for Business, SharePoint, and Teams. All of these provide an ability to access files from anywhere using any approved device and to collaborate by sharing files amongst multiple people. While OneDrive is a good option for files that are not required to be shared, Teams is most often the simplest and most efficient way to store files which are meant to be shared. Behind the scenes, files stored in Teams are actually stored in SharePoint. In Teams, on the left-hand side, we see the list of teams and channels. Every channel has a Files tab. This is where we store the documents. The File tab works much like your disk. You can create folders and subfolders in which we store files. Let's create a new folder. We'll give it a name and we'll color it blue. In the new folder, we'll create a new Word document called My New Doc. We'll enter some random text. The document is automatically saved for us. If we close the document and reopen it, we'll see all the content. We'll add a heading, expand the ribbon and set the style to heading 1. We'll also insert a picture. Again, all the changes are automatically saved for us. We'll see in a future video how to see the history of the changes. We don't have to remember where we saved the document. Every word in every document is automatically indexed. So we can use the search bar to search for any document containing, say, the word video. We'll switch to the Files filter and be able to see our document. We can further fine-tune the search results by using the Team, File Type, Modified By, and Date filters. We can also upload documents or entire folders. I'll select a number of documents and upload them into the Teams folder. Thank you for watching this video. Try using the Teams file storage capabilities yourself. Search for more videos to find out more about how Microsoft 365 can help you.